Okay, so you clicked to test your gardening knowledge. I have some questions for you. Let's see if you know your stuff. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1 is, how often should I water my plants? I'll give you a little time to think. Okay, here's the answer. It depends on the plant and the weather. Generally, aim to water deeply once or twice a week, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Always check the soil moisture before watering. Did you get it right, or are you killing your plants? Only joking. Okay, let's move on. Question 2. How much sunlight do my plants need? Here's some thinking time. Tough question. Here's the answer. Most vegetables and flowers need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. However, some plants like lettuce and ferns prefer partial shade. Be sure to check the specific requirements for each plant. Did you know that? It's okay, every day's a learning day. If not, okay, let's move on. Question 3. How do I deal with pests in my garden? I hate garden pests. Let's see if you know what to do or not. Answer. The best way to deal with pests is through prevention. Keep your garden clean, healthy, and free of weeds. You can also use natural pest control methods like hand picking, neem oil, or introducing beneficial insects. Are you doing well, or do you need to go to gardening school? Question 4 is not an easy one. Let's see what you know. Here goes. When and how should I fertilize my plants? Here, some time to think. And the answer is, fertilize your plants in the spring with a balanced fertilizer, and then again in midsummer if needed. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package, and always water your plants after fertilizing to help nutrients reach the roots. That was a tough one. If you knew it, well done. If not, you do now. Keep going. Last question, here it is. Question 5. How do I start a garden if I don't have much space? Great question. What do you think? Answer. Even if you don't have much space, you can still garden. Try container gardening on a balcony or patio, or grow vertical gardens using trellises or hanging planters. You'd be surprised how much you can grow in a small space. Closing. So how many did you get right? Are you a garden guru, or are you a garden guru in training? Either way, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!